We on this one now. I'm gonna get a picture of it actually because it look pretty on Aries. Alright, I think I can kind of gotta scoot a little more. It's a 10 minute long, it's gonna come out, pick it up though. Keep my factory fits. Time for you to come on out, buddy. Y'all see the differences in the two, y'all? Much big on Carven with the OEM chips. That's finna be the fun part. Should I leave a sub, y'all? Kind of loosening it a little more. 13 millimeter sockets, what you want to eat for this piece? I want my flush and push my all in. Inside it is kind of scarred, you know, kind of burnt. They must be old, but oh well. Inside of the tips usually get dirty anyway. They got us. Keep doing it. Trying to line them up. Push out of the lane. I don't want that corner, so I want that tucked in. I don't need too much care. So I'm loosening a little bit. Maybe. Yeah, you can still see that it is a tad bit more centered. So let's go back and fix that. This is a tad bit more centered. And a little more tucked, so you can still see it. So I can always go back and fix that one to center it. I just don't want to move, man. This one's a little more crooked. Yeah, this one you go more to the right. This one you go more to the left. Straighten it. Oh, that look creaky. Oh, that look creaky. I'm not OCD, but I know it's not gonna look right. This look a little better. I'm gonna go back and fix that one. So I'm gonna screw this on quick. Yep. One on Monsters, still by Carven. It's not all the way screwed, it's just holding on, but I just want to show y'all the comparison. It really is an investment that you guys should make. I'm telling y'all, Black Friday, you the best. Get your little small 3.5 inch tail out of there. But y'all see the difference? Oh yeah, you know, I could put my whole hand up in there. Let's go. You can kind of do it with the 3.5s, but you know what I'm saying? Yeah. I got them installed. That's how they look installed. Those are my OEM 3.5 inch tips. These are the 5 inch Carven tips. I got them flush, got them all the way in. I didn't really too much care for Carven showing, but yeah, that's it. But I gotta give y'all a remote start, even though they just tips. They don't really do nothing, it's just cosmetic, but why not? I ain't started up in like 8 days. Make sure y'all leave a sub, man. Y'all leave us a comment. You want to talk to me or you want to get to know me, I get to know you. So with your channel, you know what I'm saying? Let's help each other out. Let's help each other be successful, you feel me? But yeah, this them. All stock, these all systems. Still got my resonators, still got my mid mufflers, my cats. Don't have nothing fancy done with these tips. I'm debating if I want to put a Wicked Bill on there now. I don't know. That Wicked Bill look good though, I ain't gonna lie. Some of them look good. I just like how they look. If you're new, make sure you leave a sub. You know what I'm saying? They're not hard to put on. You just gotta fight with them depending on how you want them adjusted and stuff like that. But other than that, that's gonna be it. I'm gonna conclude this video. Make sure y'all leave a sub. Boy, Military Mopar Maddox. It's out. Catch y'all later.